we be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful people? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Today, I thought I would just share with you some ways that you can reduce cold and flu symptoms, or even try to prevent, or even just help your immune system overall. So in no particular order, we're starting off with pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is enzyme found in pineapple that is antiviral. And it's pretty potent against certain viruses, including what they have found is the coronavirus. So antiviral agent, but also for potential future COVID outbreaks. Next, we have a powerful herb, oregano, which has plant compounds which include carbapenem that has antiviral properties. And studies have shown that oregano oil and carbapenem isolated reduce the activity of certain neuroviruses within 15 minutes of exposure. Next, we have our citrus. I got grapefruit, lemons, oranges, and actually drinking some freshly squeezed right now. Super good, super powerful. And they contain hesperin compounds that can bind more tightly and more quickly to target protein in viruses or host cells. And these compounds in oranges will create a blockage that inhibits the development of infections to infect host cells or replicate themselves. So your citrus are super powerhouses against viruses. Next, we have pumpkin seeds, which are rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, and they help strengthen your immune system. Also contain manganese, which promotes better wound healing, and zinc, which helps your immune system fight viruses and bacteria. Last but certainly not least, I have vitamin D3 supplement, which I take in the wintertime due to not getting that sunshine as much. But of course, the sun is the best source, and evidence has shown that vitamin D plays an essential role in the immune response against viral infections, and even has shown, studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency increases susceptibility to viral infections as well as the risk of recurrent infections. So getting that sunshine on your skin is so important, or taking a supplement if you're like me and there's a lack of sunshine up north here. Yeah, all of these ways can help your immune system. And of course, reducing mucus forming foods, congesting foods like dairy, white breads, that can also help you out. And if you guys have any other suggestions, please leave them down below. Love hearing from you. And as always, be your beautiful selves, be getting some whole, healthy, fresh food, and some nature, some sunshine, some fresh air. When you do that, we'll all be rising.